Okay, rather than pictures, I'm just going to do a couple of short videos of the 85 Camaro. We'll walk around. Show you the engine bay as best I can. Tranny's still in it, depending on whether you want it or not with the converter. The stock front mounts, mid plate, all the hoses and wiring and fuel lines, everything are still in the car. Aluminum radiator, fan, catch can. It's got MSD, stays in it. Coil. Inside of the car from the passenger side. Dash, shifter, the electric shift on it. Low oil level light is that big red light there. Warning light. It was certified May of 12, so it is out of date, but there's nothing been changed on it. No new rules. So it will certify. Here's your two-step 6AL. Electric shift. Got a steel tunnel in it, steel floors. That way we don't have to have rocker bars and all that stuff for the HRA. Kirky seat. Overhead switch panel. It's got the stock column in it still. So if the guy wanted to street it, make it fairly easy. Had several different trans brake switches in it. Steering wheel. On there on the tunnel. Your RPM activated switch for the Dixie electric shift. Those are your axles, big studs. Fuel cell is underneath that panel right there. There's all the tin work in the back's nice shape. Probably a 7 or 8 gallon cell. Batteries are under this panel here. Got the shut off switch and the charging post in the back. It's nice having that hatch so you can get some fresh air in there. And I will try to get it jacked up here so that we can see the 4-link set up under it. Fuel pressure gauge, 4-inch bolt-on cowl hood on the hinges. So that's it for this one.